Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to follow up on gold. A couple of days ago, I think it was around March 30th, we talked about GLD, and I mentioned how I really liked the longer term time frame, this monthly time frame, how we have this huge cup and handle pattern on the monthly, and I want to see a breakthrough of that 194.50 level. Well, we did get about $3.40 closer this week to this level. And you can see that here from this move. So we had a strong move, strong follow through, and it broke above some highs from back here in April, March, and February of 2022. And so gold is definitely, in my opinion, an area that you should be paying attention to. We even have the volume to confirm this move. Now, it is a tad extended here on the daily chart. You typically want to get involved with stocks close to some key moving averages, because then at least you have some levels you can define your risk off of. So it is a bit extended now, but I wouldn't lose sight of this, and I wouldn't lose sight of the miners as well, like GDX and GDXJ. These are looking really good, and you can see that they're coming into some key levels that at one point were support and now are resistance. So this is a very pivotal moment for gold and the gold miners. And we definitely want to pay attention to see if this can follow through and bring us back to some of these 2022 highs on GDX. Now, there's lots of different ways to play gold. There's GLD, there's GDX, and it's not just about gold. You can take a look at silver as well. SLV reaching above and making a new high on the year. So the metals are certainly an area you want to pay attention to, and that's what we're doing. So if you want to see what we're trading and how we're managing it, take a trial at StockMarketMentor.com. Your first 30 days is like $7. Best deal in town. So definitely take it for a test drive, and I hope to see you on the other side and making money in the metals right now. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. I'll see you next time.